Stop trying to manifest if you don't do this step first. First off, you probably have some sort of block or some sort of wall. We all do. But I'm going to show you how to actually release whatever you are holding in that is stopping your manifestations to come. So if you want to call something in, it can't physically come in unless you're open to it. And I'm going to show you that through the Spark and Surrender method. It is a 3-step method that I teach and that I personally do every single time. I'm going to give it to you for free. And if you follow the steps, you will then prepare yourself for the manifestation process. Manifestation process is a 2-step process. 1 is to release, to be open to receive, to get rid of your blocks, whatever those are. I help you find out what they are, acknowledge them, and then get fucking rid of them. From there, you are now prepared and you're open to receive, which means then you can walk into the manifestation process. So say spark below, and then I will send you the link to download it. It's going to be a video and it's going to be a workbook.